My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the unwanted browser extension called Extra Dark. Extra Dark is the extension that is designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. The developers of this extension indicate that Extra Dark offers convenient and easy way to use dark mode in any page. But the point is that this particular extension functions as a browser hijacker because it may change a lot of crucial browser settings, such as the default search engine and some other parameters too. After the extension gets installed, it begins changing such settings, and when you start submitting some search queries, you may soon notice that the results might sometimes be provided by some other search engines. It may depend on the geographical location, of course. So in some cases you might not notice any browser redirections, but in many cases indeed this extension would change a lot of browser settings without the customer's permission. Furthermore, this extension is also spread pretty often through integration with some free applications. This is why it is considered as a potentially unwanted program. So we recommend that you remove it as soon as possible. By accessing the menu of the browser, click on More Tools, Extensions. So disable and remove any third-party extensions which you might find here. And to make sure that the system is free of any other threats that could be hidden, I do recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching and investigating your computer with its help in order to identify and remove such threats effectively. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.